Hello, today we're going to consider a problem involving a ball that's attached to a string and being spun around. We are given a tension force, so we have to find the mass. Let's first read the questions together. A ball attached to a string is traveling in a circular trajectory as shown in the figure. If the tension force in the string is 30 newtons, find the mass of the block. Okay, as always, we have to identify the forces that are being acted on this block, right? So, or ball. Ball is moving in a circular orbit. What kind of force is going to be acting on a ball that's circulating? Well, in this particular case, we have a ball here. So its weight is going to be pointing downward. There's going to be a tension force along the rope, and there's going to be a centrifugal force because of the ball moving in a circular orbit. So what is a centrifugal force? Centrifugal force is given by equation mass times velocity square divided by the radius of the orbit. Well, in this particular equation we're actually not going to use it, but just so you know what the centrifugal force. So if you're not going to use this one, how are we going to find the mass of the ball? Well, we are given a tension force, right? So weight and centrifugal force have to generate a net force that's going to oppose the tension in the string, right? So you have two vectors, centrifugal force that's pushing ball out and mg or weight that's pulling ball down, and you're going to end up with a net force that's going to be in this direction, which is going to be in opposite direction to the tension force. So this force and this force must be equal for the string not to break, or for ball not to start moving up along the string, right? So ball is just circulating and it's not moving up, or it's not breaking the string. So this force and this force has to be equal. Well, now mg, then just the y component of this force, right? So if mg is just y component of this force, we can consider this to be a right triangle. Then you have mg here, you have a force, a magnitude of which is equal to the tension force, and you know the angle of this, right? So this is 37 degrees because these two lines are parallel, these angles must be same. Well, then it's a very simple trig identity. Cosine of 37 is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So mg over tension force. You multiply both sides by tension force and divide it by g. That's how you get mass. And mass comes out to be 2.4 kg after you do this simple division and multiplication. And that's the answer to this problem. Thank you.